Let's make super quick and easy air fryer breakfast potatoes. These guys are so delicious. You're going to start with 1 pound of diced potatoes in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and just mix that up. Make sure the potatoes are well coated with the oil. I like using tongs for this job. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The black pepper does give these a little bit of a kick, so if you have picky kids, you can tone back the pepper. Mix that up again until the potatoes are well coated, and then add a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Both of these spices just add some extra flavor and make the potatoes super delicious. So again, mix with the tongs until they are well coated, and then they're ready to go. Just put them in the air fryer basket. Make sure they're in an even and single layer. You don't want them layered on top of each other. You can use a variety of air fryers. Mine is a Ninja Foodie. And then you're going to stick them in the air fryer at 400 degrees and cook them for 15 to 18 minutes or until the potatoes are tender yet still crispy. Again, this may vary depending on your air fryer. When they're done, take out the basket and make sure they're nice and tender. And there you have it. Super quick and easy air fryer breakfast potatoes. This is so much easier than making them in a pan. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to subscribe to Ginger Divine and check out the description for the link to the full recipe. Thanks for watching.